Hi everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. Today, under Oracle Tax Reporting Cloud Services, we are going to discuss about the feature of parent tax calculation in the application. So we will move on to the application now. And for this particular feature to perform correctly and appropriately, first we'll have to go to the dimensions and we'll have to set the correct custom attributes for this particular feature. So under dimensions, we'll go to the entity hierarchy where we have to set up this particular option of parent tax calculation at the top level or at the parent level. So this will mean that any adjustment can be done even at the parent level or at the C level or consolidated level as we call, and not only at the legal entity level. So generally, or what is the norm is that the tax calculation gets done at the legal entity level only and not at the consolidated level. Whatever calculation has been done at the legal entity level will get calculated and totaled and will aggregate to the parent level or the consolidated level. However, in case there may be some case of pass-through entities or there may be certain adjustments which are required to be done at the parent level. So for that, this feature has been provided in the application, which is the parent tax calculation custom attribute. And here we have created a hierarchy by the name of total US, whereby there are two uh, entities under this parent, which is total US. So we have US1 and US2. So we'll just view the custom attributes of US1. So we have assigned the domicile here, which is United States, and we have also assigned the regional deduction. Similarly, in US2 as well, we have assigned the domicile and the regional deduction. So it will get deducted. The main catch here is at the parent level also. So generally there is no need to assign any custom attribute at the parent level. However, in this particular case, we have assigned the domicile as US and we have a custom attribute by the name of parent tax calculation. So we have assigned this particular parent tax calculation as yes. So what this will do for us is that it will open the parent tax calculation option as well. But one thing to keep in mind in this particular case is that we'll have to always check the allow upper level entity input option as yes. In case we do not do this, we will not be able to input any figure or any data at the parent level. So this is very essential in case we want to do the tax calculation at the parent. Now, once these custom attributes have been set up or have been assigned, we will move on to the package. So under the package, we'll first go to the US1. So under US1, we have a net income before tax of 25 lakh US dollars. And for that, we have the tax calculation as well. So we have the current provision of 525,000. And similarly, for US2 also, we have already input some figure. So we have the current provision calculated for that as well. So we have the current provision amount as $546,000. And these two data will then get rolled over to the total US, which is the parent of these two entities. So the total US is just the aggregate of these two entities, which is US1 and US2. So 25 and 26 will aggregate to 51 lakh US dollars. And then we have the tax calculation at the rate of 21%. So we have a current provision for this particular data. Now we will say we have certain special deductions which we have to perform at the parent level, or we have certain tax credits which we want to input at the parent level. So we can do it here since we have enabled the parent tax calculation. This will provide us with the appropriate data. So right now, since I'm at the entity total level, it is not allowing me to input the data. So I'll just move to the entity input at the parent level, which is my total US. So once I select the entity input, now it's allowing me to input the data and adjustment fields. Also, we can automate this particular column here as well at the parent level also. Since we have enabled the parent tax calculation, we can automate it as well. We'll show it in a bit. But first, we'll just try to input certain adjustments at the parent level. So say we have a special deduction of 2 lakh, and we have certain credits for the current year. So we have a foreign tax credit of 3 lakhs at the parent level. So we'll just save it, and we'll have to run the consolidation now at the parent level, which is total US. So now we will check our data at the total level. And you can see that we have got the special deductions, which has reduced my taxable income to 49 lakhs. And then we have the foreign tax credit adjustments as well of 3 lakhs, which have reduced my current tax expenses from 10 lakhs to 7 lakh 29,000. So in this manner, in case we want, we can do certain adjustments at the parent level as well by opening up the by allowing the upper level entity input option, and also assigning the custom attributes of parent tax calculation at the parent. So we have seen the adjustment that can be done at the parent level. Now we'll just have a look at the automated figures as well. So we can also automate through tax automation. Uh, at the entity rules, we can just see that we have the total US option as well now showing. Since we have enabled the parent tax calculation, we have an option to assign uh, the tax automation rules at the parent level as well. So in this manner, we can do the parent tax calculation through automated as well as adjustments figure. So that's it for today. In case you have any queries, you can connect with us through bispsolutions.com. Thank you.